Okay, now let's refresh the page. The next program I will be doing is monthly salary calculator. So the case is a freelance if employee is paid based on the number of hours worked each month. The task is to ask the user to enter hourly wage and total hours worked, then calculate the monthly salary. So two input fields are required: hourly wage and hours worked. So it will give us the calculated salary. So from this we can see it is a multiplicative arithmetic command. So let's start. First we want hourly wage as input. So it can be float or integer. So I'm writing float input, then enter your hourly wage. Then next is hours worked is equals to float input, enter your hours worked, and then salary will be calculated as hourly wage multiplied by hours. Okay, and then print in inverted commas your salary is space and then comma salary variable. Okay, now let's run the program. So hourly wage is, let's say, $35. Hours worked are $40 per week. So we got weekly salary 1,400. So you can convert this into months, weeks, or whatever you like. So I have some one difficult question for this as well and this one as well. Okay. So this one is with a little bit of difficulty. A company reward employees with a bonus if they work more than 160 hours per month. Task is to write a Python program that takes hourly wage and works hours worked, calculate salary, add a bonus of 200 if hours work exceed 160. So the sample output will be hourly wage 20, hours worked 170. So salary is 3600 and bonus is 200. If it is less than 160, then there will be no bonus. So this is for your practice. Do practice this question.